Hello everyone and welcome to the Linux command line tutorial series. This is tutorial number 6. In this video we will learn how to redirect output from terminal to a file. You will better understand this concept when you see it. So let's get started. I have my terminal opened and I am inside Linux commands directory, which is on the desktop. You can see pwd. So on the desktop, which is here, and this are the content of the file. You learned about this a little bit in the previous video. Let's get started. So first we'll create a Greek god .txt, and this is part of redirection, like we are using it right now. So this created a new file and we will type in some stuff which will be saved in the file. So let's say Zeus, we'll do Athena, Nike, and Poseidon, and let's go ahead and save this file. So Control D and the file is saved. So if you remember, you can use cat to output the file and you can see it here. But this does not end here. You can use this angle bracket to redirect any output from the terminal to a file. So let's say we do ls here, and let's redirect this output to a new file. We will say ls output.txt, and you can see a new file is created, and let's see content of the file .cat output.txt. Well, this is included in it because the file is created first. So we can see this is the, so once again, these are the contents of the file. Okay, this is not the ls part. Let's go ahead and save. Now we can do ls.l inside output.txt, and let me show you in a text editor so it becomes much more clearer. See, you can save whatever the output. Basically, you are redirecting output from the terminal to a file. Makes sense? Next thing, as you notice, like, let's keep this open and let's do ls and let's do -a this time and same file. This will, okay, this won't update. I think we should use atom so it updates live. I think so. Not sure about that, but right now we can see all the hidden files and everything. Let's go back and do L again just to make sure it updates on the fly. Yep, it does. So now you see, like, what this is doing is it is overwriting the file. What if you want to combine, like you wish to append? So there's a way to do that too. So ls-a, and this time you will use 2 angle brackets and append, and you can see the data is appended. So now there is a way to, so if you wish to copy a file, what you can do is you can do cat do output and put it in output. You can say output2.txt, and if you ls here, you can see we have one more file. It's like, well, this is not the right way to copy a file, but it does work, and you can see we have output2.txt right here. So this does not end here. You can redirect output from terminal to file, like on any command. One more thing, let's add pwd to output.txt, and if I open it up with atom, and we will see present working directory as well. So this, you can save whatever you wish, like anything you see on the terminal can be saved in a file. So that's that. If you have any questions or comments, you can post them in the comments. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like. Until next time.